Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today we're diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling hand tools products on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast, a professional tradesperson, or simply looking to upgrade your toolkit, you're in for a treat. These hand tools are not just top-rated, but also trusted by thousands of users for their durability, efficiency, and innovative features. Without further ado, let's go. Let's dive right in with number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling hand tools on Amazon. Introducing the bearings-equipped automotive car, audio sound deadening application wheel roller. This isn't just any tool, it's a game-changer for your automotive and home projects. Constructed with upgraded bearings, this seam roller stands out. It features a durable polyurethane roller held securely by a wooden handle with a riveted steel bracket. But the real magic lies in its two steel bearings, ensuring a smoother roll compared to other rollers on the market. Smoothness matters, especially when you're aiming for precision and efficiency. Why PU, you ask? The polyurethane material is not only robust but also slightly pliable, making it the ideal choice for auto-deadening mats and heat abatement mats. Need to apply wallpaper? No problem. This roller handles that with ease too. One of the standout features is how it minimizes air bubbles and ensures the best adhesion of deadening mats. Whether you're working on your car, van, truck, or any vehicle, this roller helps you achieve the ultimate comfort. Perfect adhesion means reduced noise and better insulation, making every ride quieter and more comfortable. Versatility is key. This roller is perfect for projects of any size and works with any brand of adhesive matting. From automotive projects to wallpaper applications, this tool does it all. No more switching between tools or second-guessing your choice. Let's talk dimensions. The roller measures 2 inches in width and 1.4 inches in diameter, with a total length of 6.7 inches. It's the right size to handle a variety of tasks efficiently and effectively. Plus, buying with confidence is easy. This product is backed by 100% satisfied customer care. Elevate your project game with the bearings-equipped automotive car, audio sound deadening application wheel roller. Smooth, versatile, and reliable, this tool is a must-have for any toolkit. Moving right along to number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling hand tools on Amazon. Presenting the 7-piece Workpro Pliers set, a versatile collection that every DIY enthusiast and homeowner needs in their toolkit. This comprehensive set includes an 8-inch groove joint, 8-inch and 6-inch slip joint, 7-inch linesman, 6-inch and 4/2-inch long nose, and 6-inch diagonal pliers. Each piece is meticulously crafted to ensure peak performance and durability. Before we dive into the specifics, a quick tip: these pliers come covered in slushing oil for rust protection. Make sure to wipe them down before use and store them in a dry environment to keep them in prime condition. Let's talk construction. These pliers are made from drop-forged polished steel, heat-treated for a durable body that can withstand the toughest tasks. The hardened cutting edges are designed for long-lasting sharpness, making cutting easier and more efficient. Imagine effortlessly slicing through wires and materials. That's the power of these cutting edges. Comfort is key when you're working on projects, and the Workpro Pliers set delivers. Each handle is double-dipped in a comfort grip coating, ensuring safe, secure, and non-slip handling. No more hand fatigue or slipping tools, just pure controlled precision in every use. This set isn't just about quality, it's about convenience. Whether you're tackling DIY home maintenance, garden projects, or adding to your existing tool collection, these pliers are indispensable. They cover a wide range of tasks, making them a great addition to any basic tool set. From gripping and bending to cutting and twisting, these pliers are up to the challenge. Number 4 on our list, the 7-piece Workpro Pliers set combines durability, precision, and comfort. It's the ultimate tool set for anyone looking to enhance their home improvement capabilities. Grab this set and experience the difference in quality and performance. Your projects will thank you. Number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling hand tools on Amazon is a powerhouse in versatility and efficiency. The Klein Tools 2933 Impact Driver, SAE 7-in-1 Impact Socket Set. This is no ordinary tool. It's a compact marvel designed for heavy-duty applications. Imagine having 7 tools in one. This 7-in-1 flip socket set includes 3 flip sockets and a 1/4-inch bit holding feature to fasten screws with ease. The hex sizes range from 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 to 9/16 inches, covering a wide spectrum of your fastening needs. Each size is impact rated, ensuring compatibility with impact drivers, and designed to withstand the toughest tasks. The Quick Connect shaft is a standout feature, allowing you to easily attach it to an impact driver or a Klein Quick Connect handle. This feature amplifies utility and ensures you can swap between tasks seamlessly. Need to store your sockets? No problem. The flip sockets can be stored on the shaft in any order or orientation, keeping everything organized and within reach. Efficiency is taken to the next level with color-coded sizes, making identification swift and effortless. No more fumbling around trying to find the right socket. Just a quick glance and you're ready to go. One of the most innovative aspects of this tool is the powerful rare earth magnet. It retains hex fasteners, allowing for one-handed fastening. This means you can tackle jobs that require precision and speed without needing a third hand to keep everything in place. In a market flooded with tools, the Klein Tools 32933 stands out as a beacon of functionality and durability. It's designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, making every project smoother and more efficient. Number 3 on our list, this 7-in-1 impact socket set brings together convenience, power, and versatility in one compact package. Get your hands on it and experience the Klein difference. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling hand tools on Amazon? Well, don't let your interest hammer away. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you're always nailed to the latest updates. Let's dive into number 2 on our countdown of the best-selling hand tools on Amazon. Meet the TEKTON 1/2-inch drive X 112-inch deep 6-point impact socket, a tool that exemplifies precision, durability, and innovation. This socket is designed with dual markings, high-visibility laser marking for quick identification, and a permanent stamped marking that stands the test of time. No matter how often you use it, you'll never lose sight of its size. The 6-point socket opening ensures an exact fit for hex fasteners, reducing the risk of slipping or rounding off. Radiused corners are a game changer, applying force to a fastener's flat sides instead of its corners. This innovative design prevents fastener round-off, preserving both your tool and the fastener for future use. The interior socket well extends deep into the socket, offering better fastener engagement in more situations. This means you can tackle a wider range of tasks with confidence, knowing your socket will provide a secure and reliable grip every time. Exceeding expectations, the TEKTON impact socket meets a minimum of 1.3 times the ANSI-ASME standard for proof torque. This ensures exceptional strength and durability, making it a reliable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. In summary, the TEKTON 1/2-inch drive X 112-inch deep 6-point impact socket combines precise engineering, durable construction, and innovative design. It's a tool that not only meets but exceeds standards, offering unmatched performance and reliability. Elevate your toolkit with this outstanding impact socket and experience the difference for yourself. We've reached the pinnacle of our countdown, the #1 best-selling hand tool on Amazon. Introducing the LEXIVON Impact Grade Socket Adapter Set, a versatile and indispensable addition to any toolbox. Imagine having the power to transform your power drill into a high-torque impact wrench with just one set. This 3-piece set includes 1/4, 1/3/8, and 1/2 inches drive adapters, all crafted from heat-treated Chrome Vanadium steel. These adapters come neatly organized in a convenient holder, making storage and accessibility a breeze. Designed for the toughest jobs, these adapters are coated with a black phosphate treatment, ensuring they are rust-proof and corrosion-resistant. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this set is built to withstand the harshest conditions and keep performing at its best. Versatility is at the heart of this set. The 1/4 hex shank fits all quick change systems and standard drill chucks, making it perfect for a wide range of applications. From automotive repairs to home improvement projects, this set adapts effortlessly to your needs. Efficiency is key, and the LEXIVON Impact Grade Socket Adapter Set delivers. The chamfered edges and spring-loaded detent ball ensure a tight, secure fit, saving you time and effort. No more fumbling with loose connections, just smooth, uninterrupted work. Confidence in your tools is paramount. This set not only meets but exceeds ANSI standards, and it's backed by a lifetime limited warranty. You can tackle every project with peace of mind, knowing your tools are designed for a lifetime of successful work. The LEXIVON Impact Grade Socket Adapter Set is more than just a tool. It's a game changer for your toolkit. Durable, versatile, and reliable, it empowers you to take on any task with confidence and ease. Elevate your work and experience the ultimate in performance with this #1 best-selling hand tool. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling hand tools on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the best-selling items we covered today. Until next time, thanks for watching and see you soon.